Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. Today we will be solving for x and verifying our solution using technology for the equation 1 over 2x is equals to 2 over 6x plus 3. So we can solve this by cross multiplying these two, which would give us 6x plus 3 equals to 4x. Then we can take this here and we can bring this here, which would give us 3 equals to 3, which would give us 6x minus 4x equals to minus 3, which is 2x equals to minus 3, x equals to minus 3 over 2, which is equals to minus 1.5. So x is equals to minus 1.5 will be our solution. Also remember that our restriction would be x cannot equal to 0 and x, because our denominators can never be 0, and 6x plus 3 equals to 0, 6x is equals to minus 3, x is equals to minus 1 over 2. So this is another restriction, but this is our answer for x. We do not need to worry about the restriction for now. And if you look at the graph plotted using technology, we can see that our solution also has minus 1.5 as the x-intercept. So we have done this correctly, and that's how you solve for x. Thank you for joining us, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.